Hello everyone, today we have AKKO's newest cherry profile keycaps, the AKKO Mars Green keycap set. I've been posting a lot about this keycaps lately. It really looks good. Initially, I thought when I saw the page before they sent over the keycaps, I thought that okay, it's okay. It's a green gray kind of colorway with some yellow accents, and I thought I might not be able to match it with any of my keyboards, but it looks really damn good on the OwlLab Spring, and I've been enjoying using it with the OwlLab Spring for the longest time. Really happy because for quite some time, AKKO is not releasing cherry profile keycap designs. They've been focused much on their OSA, ASA, and I think MDA profile keycaps, if I'm not mistaken. That I felt that the cherry profiles need some loving, and this is it. So they release a new set of cherry profile keycaps, priced at 1,799. I think these keycaps are bang for the buck. They have the Mars Green, which is a double shot ABS keycap. They also have a warm gray and a cool gray colorway, but these two are PBT material, so do take that into consideration. How is it compared to the older cherry profile keycaps of AKKO that I really loved? I love the older cherry profile keycaps. They're on the clackier side of the sound profile, but this one I think is a huge improvement from the old keycap set that they offered. No offense to the old one, it's good, it's really good, but I just like this one better. So a lot of people have been asking me, how is the sound, Doc? Because straight up from the images that I've been posting, it looks really nice. All right, I love the legends, very consistent, very clear, very crisp and clean. I love the colorway, and what I do notice, one big difference is that the older keycaps, their ABS surface is more slippery than your, like, say, GMK and the Yonki YMK keycaps. This one feels a bit more slippery and more smooth. This, on the other hand, is very much comparable to the Yonki that I reviewed before, the Yonki or Yonki, the YMK keycaps. Those are also good keycaps. Much comparable surface texture, and very much comparable to the GMK set that I have as well. So I like that. I like that more than the slippery surface. Compared to the EPBT and the PBT fans that I've tried, the surface of their ABS keycaps is much more slippery, if I may say. And now we go to the sound, and that's what this video is all about. The last portion of this video will be just a sound test of two of my keyboard setups, one with the OwlLab Spring without any foam, and then one with the Mod 007 for that traditional foamy sound. See if you guys like it. Sound profile is really good. For the price, very, very good. The older cherry profile keycaps, if I may say, leads or tends to go toward the clackier side of the sound profile. This one, I think, is much more balanced, and I love that. So, yes, when you want some clacky builds, you have your go-to keycap sets, but a balanced sounding keycap for me is a good choice as well, especially if you don't have that much of a keycap collection. So yeah, it's a more balanced sound, leaning towards, still more again towards the clackier side of the spectrum compared to your PBT keycaps, compared to your higher profile keycaps. But for an ABS cherry profile keycap, it's not super clacky, it's well balanced, and it's very easy to pair with switches and keyboard setup. So that's my quick review, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the sound test. I hope to see you in the next video. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And again, thank you for watching.